No woman will ignore you with these powerful tips. Have you ever wondered why some men seem to be hogging all of women's attention, apparently without even trying, while others spend almost every moment of their lives trying to eat the fruit, but failing miserably? It all comes down to possessing certain traits that are attractive to women. If you are a nice guy who thinks being sweet to women will help you, you are in for a world of hurt. Some of these guys will even blame women for not knowing what they want. Yes, it's not women's fault, it's just the way they are designed by nature. They need to find a dominant, strong man to pass on their genetics. In this video, we are going to talk about the 4 traits that will make you more attractive to women. Yes, you are new to this channel. We welcome you to the family. Before you start, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like it, and become part of our family. 1. Appearance. I'm sorry, but looks do matter to women. There's just no way around it. Thank you. While there are things you can do that will make you look better, you don't have to be genetically gifted. You should strive to always be well-groomed. Make sure your hair is on point, your beard is trimmed or shaved, cut your nails, shower every day. Perfume the days and use. Sleep well, eat nutritious foods, even take some vitamin supplements, and most importantly, go to the gym. Not only will this build muscle and keep you from being overweight, but the fact that it uses your body to move will give you that extra healthy glow. 2. Be funny. We all know that being funny can help you a lot when it comes to women, but what exactly does it mean to be funny? Do you have to memorize hundreds of jokes you find on the internet? Do you have to act stupid and be slightly sarcastic? The best way to do it is don't hesitate to tease her. Just make sure that when you do it you have a smile on your face and a twinkle in your eye, so she knows that you didn't mean it in a loving way. But even more importantly, don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. No woman wants a man who takes himself too seriously, as it indicates insecurity. 3. Trust. To start the list is the most obvious and well-known trait that makes women attracted to a man. Confidence has been known since the beginning of time, but what exactly is confidence? In the old days, women needed a man strong and capable just to stay alive. His confidence would have been an easy way to identify whether or not he would be able to provide and protect. Think about it, if you see a man who is insecure and doesn't even have the guts to look you straight in the eyes, are you going to count on him when things get bad? Obviously not. There is a good reason for it, and there is only one way to overcome this, is to be brutally honest with yourself. Before you can start to fix it, maybe your lack of confidence is because you are not comfortable in social situations, so you need to attend more social events. Maybe it's because you are overweight, so you need to go to the gym. This will obviously help you. Through practice you will improve in situations that you normally fear. But just knowing that you have put yourself in difficult situations again and again generates a deep inner confidence, which cannot be faked. It will surround you like an aura. Powerful, and women can smell it on you. 4. Not be available. Don't get carried away. Your emotions will tell you that you should make time to see her as often as possible. When you have a message from her, you will get a big burst of dopamine and you will feel inclined to respond to her immediately. You should hold back, bro. Women crave attention, they feed on it, but once you start giving it to them in large doses, they get bored. You must always have them wondering when they get their next dose what attention they are getting from you, so you keep them busy having a life of their own and not try to change her for a woman. In short, it's a massive display of power, and when a woman sees a man wielding this kind of power and total control, she can't help but let every fiber in her body tell him that she wants to sleep with him. The art of being stoic. And see for yourself, it improves your life in every way imaginable. Up to here today's video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos.